Welcome back to Overheat, the exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome in Texas. Design: when parked, the living area will be expanded by hydraulic slide-out or pop-out extensions. Construction: for maximum durability and insulation, lightweight yet sturdy materials like fiberglass, aluminum, or composites are used for the body. Big electric awning. Lots of outside storage space for outdoor furniture, sporting goods, or even a tiny car garage. LED lighting system that is external. Waste disposal, clean water, and shore power connections. Be fitted with hydraulic jacks that level themselves to keep the car stable while parked. Inside, the driver's cabin features ergonomic seating and is completely integrated with the living space. Living sitting area, expandable dining table, cozy sofa, and recliner. Complete kitchen appliances include a dishwasher, a large refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven, microwave, an induction cooktop, 2 sinks, and an abundance of storage space. The master bedroom has a TV, a walk-in wardrobe, a queen or king-size bed, and perhaps a vanity space. High-end materials like leather, real wood, high-end textiles, ceramic or vinyl flooring, and concealed LED lighting are examples of interior finishes. Customization: STX is renowned for providing a great degree of personalization, enabling owners to select the equipment, materials, and layout that best suit their preferences. Chassis: a very strong truck chassis that can sustain the motorhome's substantial weight and offer superior stability will be used. Engine: probably a powerful diesel engine with enough torque to easily handle big loads. And terrain: possibly a V6 or inline-6 layout. Gearbox: a cutting-edge automatic gearbox that provides seamless, effective gear shifting, such as the Mercedes PowerShift. Entertainment: a cutting-edge audio-visual system that includes surround sound, satellite TV, Wi-Fi internet cellular router, and maybe a game console.